making super easy drumsticks. I had these drumsticks left over from last night. Now, usually I don't measure. I'm tired and I just throw it all in there, but I'm gonna throw it in my measuring cup here. Recipe is in the description below, or you can follow the QR code. So I've got my mustard and my honey, and I did those wrong. Now, you can use Dijon mustard if you want. I don't get that fancy-ified. I grew up in Kansas. We don't have fancy things like Dijon mustard there. Okay, there we go. And then olive oil, if you want. And then all we do is stir this together, 3 ingredients. I mean, 3 ingredients drumsticks. You can't get much easier than that. Okay, now I pull the skin over the chicken because that keeps it more moist. If it'll scrunch over there, usually it will. Just gotta pull it. Oh my goodness, I never find feathers in my chicken. There you go, found 2. Okay. And, all right, my seasoned salt, or regular salt if you want. And then we're just going to pour the honey mustard all over. Probably could have done a half batch. Oh well, so goes life. We're going to throw this in the oven and bake it. Get them spread out a little bit here so they crisp up nicely. All right, look at that. Not even 5 minutes on the timer. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. All right, so I decided, I was thinking about doing glazed carrots, but I think what I'm gonna do is throw these in the oven and just roast them, because I was like, ooh, we haven't had roasted carrots for us. So my drumsticks have been in for, I could have put my carrots in with my drumsticks, but I didn't know what vegetable I wanted yet. So I was still thinking about it. Now I'm doing butter for these. You can do olive oil if you want. I don't really like olive oil. Yeah, I think I'm the only person on earth who doesn't like it. I mean, it's okay, but butter just tastes so much better. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut these in smaller pieces. Take my carrots. You can do salt, you can do seasoned salt, whatever you want. Throw them in the oven and let them finish baking. And that was less than 3 minutes. Okay, so let's check our chicken. Oh, that's looking very delicious. And I'm going to baste just a little bit. Give it extra crispiness. Yum. Okay, there's that. Now, I let the butter melt on my carrot, and then I'll just turn all of my carrots in. Oh my goodness. Just flip them just like this. Just smush them all around. Just get in there, get it done! Nobody's got time for cooking anymore! It's time to paint! The snow is gone. The sun is out. And we must paint. Okay. That was very violent.
All right. Yeah, that was, had your moment there.
It's painting season. Don't have time for dinner. All right, there's the roasted carrots. Oh, yum. And here is the chicken. Oh, yum. All right, there we go. Oh, yum. Added some rice and butter. Oops, forgot the butter on that one. And there we go. Yum.